But this phenomenon is unique, not only for me, but also for my running mate. It seems to be a new development that two people from different parties now are running together. I am running for Vice President Ferdinand Marcos Jr.
Senator.